Hello guys. Many people think that it is very difficult to repair the electronic devices like PC, laptops, or smartphones. But by using a repair toolkit you can fix these devices, which is very simple and easy to use even for a beginner. With the availability of a large number of toolkits and choosing the best quality is a bit difficult and confusing. Today in this video, top new tech picks 5 best computer repair toolkits for 2022. Before watching the products, please do subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more tech videos. Now let's get started. The 5th one is Easy Time Repair Tool Kit. The Easy Time Repair Tool Kit contains 120 precision bits with a size of 4 mm and 20 practical accessories such as screwdriver handles, extension rods, crowbars, and magnets, etc. The precision bits of this toolkit are made of CRV material. After high temperature quenching treatment, the HRC is up to 60. It is sturdy, durable, and can accurately bite the screw. The electronic screwdriver set is also provided with a hexagon socket used as a converter. This can be matched with an electric screwdriver with a diameter of 6 mm. There is also a magnetizer in the tools which can increase magnetism to attract screws. This professional tool kit adopts a push-type design. The soft rubber fixed at the end of the handle is non-slip and increases the torque. The head also has a built-in strong magnet which is stable. The extension rod can be extended by 5 sections and the length is 75 mm. The softness extension rod can rotate 360 degrees and bend 180 degrees, which can help you easily deal with a complex disassembly environment. This electronic repair toolkit contains 2 carbon fiber pry bars with high hardness and high toughness. This repair toolkit is capable of repairing various electronic products such as computers, laptops, tablets, iPhones, PS4, Xbox toys, glasses, lamps, and small appliances, etc. The 4th one is UniMelor Repair Tool Kit. This precision repair toolkit is equipped with 56 degrees Celsius RV bits which will meet all your repair needs. The surface of the screwdriver is attached with non-slip rubber particles. The handle tail can be rotated 360 degrees, which providing a smooth hand feel and helping you to remove the screw with one hand only. The shaft of screwdriver consists of double-layer CRV springs which can bend 180 degrees and rotate 360 degrees, that helping you to easily remove screws with complex angles. The drill bits of this toolkit are made of CRV steel with a hardness of up to 60 HRC. All drill bits are 851 degree high temperature quenching and surface nickel plating treatment, wear resistance, oxidation resistance, and corrosion resistance that can last for a long time use. The repair toolkit also comes with a shock resistant ABS plastic storage case, and each screwdriver bit fits nicely into a correspondingly marked slot for easy finding and storage. The magnetizer attached to this electronic screwdriver kit can easily enhance the magnetism of the screwdriver bit, which is convenient for you to absorb small screws when taking apart. This repair tool kit also comes with 24 practical accessories such as magnetizer, ESD, tweezers, spudger, and electric screwdriver converter, etc., which can repair any electronic components easily. The 3rd one is Stribito Repair Tool Kit. This Stribito Repair Tool Kit has 120 bits and it is complete with every driver bit that you will need to tackle any repair or DIY project. This electronic repair tool kit has been professionally designed to maximize your repair capabilities. The screwdriver features a particle grip and rubberized ergonomic handle with swivel top that provides a comfortably grip and smoothly spinning. It also has magnetic project mat which keeps all tiny screws and parts organized. All screwdriver bits are stored in rubber bit holder which marked with type and size for fast recognizing, also prevent from losing and messing up. These repair tools are held in a tear-resistant and shock-proof Oxford bag that offering a hole protection and organized storage. The magnetizer and demagnetizer tool helps to strengthen the magnetism of screwdriver tips to grab screws or weaken it to avoid damage to your sensitive electronics. The bits are made of 60 HRC chromium, vanadium steel which is resist abrasion, oxidation, corrosion, sturdy, durable, and ensure long-time use. In addition, this repair kit has 22 practical accessories such as magnetizer, magnetic mat, cleaning brush, suction cup, spudger, and ESD, tweezers, etc. This repair tool kit has what you need to repair all cell phones, computer, laptops, SSD, iPad, game consoles, tablets, glasses, HVAC, and sewing machine, etc. The second last is KYC Repair Tool Kit. The KYC 139-in-1 is a professional electronic repair tool kit. All bits are made of high-quality CRV steel by vulcanization. Its hardness can reach over HRC 62 degree, which is harder than the ordinary steel material and more durable. All are of standard size of bit undergo the rigorous quality control testing. Also, the tip is stable and not easily stripped. This has user-friendly with press and push design handle. It is comfortable to hold even for the long-time use. For the bits that are often used in repairing electronic products, have 2 personal communication service, or 3 pieces or 4 pieces in this set, which allows you to avoid the damage due to repeated use need not to buy a new replacement. This repair tool kit comes with a storage bag which is made from Oxford, that offering a hole protection, easier storage, and also carrying. It also includes 111 screwdriver bits with handlebar, extension bar, flexible extension shaft, anti-static wristband, ultra-thin steel spudger, fiber nylon, and plastic spudgers, triangle plastic picks, and tweezers. The KYC Repair Tool Kit is a professional repair tools kit for MacBook, PC, computer, laptop, tablet, iPhone, iPad, camera, game consoles, PS4 or Xbox controller, watches, glasses, and other electronics. And the last we have listed, ZUL Repair Tool Kit for electronics. This computer repair tool kit is equipped with 58 S2 bits which are sturdy and durable to meet your repair needs. The screwdriver features a particle grip and rubberized. The ergonomic handle with swivel top that provides a comfort grip and smoothly spinning. The magnetic bit holder transmits magnetism through the screwdriver bit, that helping you to handle tiny screws. The magnetizer attached to the screwdriver kit can easily enhance the magnetism of the screwdriver bit, which is convenient for you to absorb small screws when disassembling. Also, the flexible extension shaft is useful for removing screw from tight spots. The ZUL Repair Tool Kit also comes with a shock-resistant ABS plastic storage case. Each screwdriver bit fits nicely into a correspondingly marked slot for easy finding and storage. The 58 drill bits of this repair tool kit are made of S2 steel with a hardness of up to 60 HRC. All the drill bits are 851 degree high temperature quench and surface nickel plating treatment, wear resistance, oxidation resistance, corrosion resistance, and can last for a long time use. In addition, this repair tool kit also comes with 24 practical accessories such as magnetizer, ESD, tweezers, spudger, and electric screwdriver converter, etc. This repair tool kit has also what you need to repair all cell phone, computer, laptops, SSD, iPad, game consoles, tablets, glasses, HVAC, and sewing machine, etc. So guys, these are the 5 best repair tool kits for electronics. You can choose any one of them for your use. The links of these products are in the description box, so you will find the products easily. If you like this video, share it with your friends and let us know in the comment box. We will see you guys in the next video. Till next time.